Charlie Hutton. You're in Nampa, Idaho. And this is my facility. It's kind of where it all happens. What we do here is we do high-end specialty cars. We do a lot of muscle car restorations, a lot of hot rod stuff, and luxury cars. Some that just show up unannounced. But that's our deal. We play with cars, and we get to play for a living. For me, the first time I met up with the Rupes crew was at a PPG event. I'd kind of heard some of the inklings about Rupes and kind of some of their products, and it was mainly the Bigfoot buffer. So this was years ago before compounds and all this stuff that came together with as a complete package. So it spurred our interest, and we got our hands on one, and that's all it took. Because once we used it, it was like, dude, we're sold, we're done. I mean, there is no other choice for us. And then when they started coming out with the compounds and the pads, that was it. I mean, it was like, holy crap, how do you even just improve on that? Not just the tooling, but it's the compounds and the pads and how they're made to match. And they also dumb it down too, so blue with blue and yellow with yellow. That makes it good for us dumb guys. When we first started using the Rupes buffer, we would still do our first initial cut with a rotary, but then when Rupes come out with the blue wool pad, once you guys came out with that, I mean, the Rupes pad with the blue compound, I mean, we don't even touch a panel with a rotary buffer now. And that was the whole idea of going with an orbital buffer, was to help eliminate the issues of swirls and the holograms you would get when you would try to rotary buff. I'm very blessed to have a good relationship with PPG, the paint company. I help teach a restoration class. And one of the cool factors, obviously part of refinish, is the polishing, the buffing part. And our relationship with the Rupes guys, every time, no matter where we're at in the country, when we put on one of the seminars, the Rupes guys come in and they can actually show the guy hands-on how the products work. And they're not just the buffer guys. They're our buddies. They're guys that are passionate about the industry too, because that's the biggest thing is in our restoration classes, it's like we tell everybody, it's like, these guys want to be there. They don't have to be there to get certified for something. They're actually choosing to take time out of their day to come and learn something. And knowing that the Rupes guys are so passionate about the buffing side of things and the polishing side, to show the same passion that all of us share, to try to just improve on what we're capable of. I mean, it's one thing to take something to a certain level, but then when you have guys like Rupes that come in with tools and products that can actually just improve our end game, dude, it's a win-win for everybody.